Welcome back to Motorvision, your ultimate stop for everything on wheels. If you live and breathe automotive design, innovation, and legendary nameplates reborn, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because today, we're taking a ride back through time reimagined for the future. Let's talk about the stunning return of a true icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen has officially revived one of the most stylish coupes ever made, the Karmann Ghia, and brought it roaring into the modern era. The original Karmann Ghia, born in the 1950s, was a symbol of elegance and accessible sophistication. Now, in 2025, it's back with all the curves we loved, now fused with electric performance and futuristic tech. From the outside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a head-turner. The flowing lines, the low-slung stance, and that unmistakable silhouette have been meticulously recreated. Volkswagen's designers managed to capture the soul of the original while injecting a fresh, modern spirit. The LED lighting signature hugs the front end with a subtle wink to its vintage past, while the rear taillights are a minimalist nod to the old-school charm, integrated beautifully into the car's sleek profile. Aerodynamics haven't been sacrificed either. The car slices through the wind like a blade, with active air vents and retractable spoilers that come alive on demand. Pop the door open, and the interior is where things truly shine. Volkswagen has embraced simplicity and elegance in the cabin, evoking the spirit of classic motoring but marrying it to modern comfort. The dashboard is low and curved, giving the driver a panoramic sense of space. It's clean, it's sleek, and it's beautifully retro with a digital twist. You get a fully customizable digital instrument cluster that still echoes the look of the original Karmann Ghia front and center. There's a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what stands out the most is how well Volkswagen has balanced analog soul with digital function. Now let's talk about those seats. Sculpted in premium vegan leather with hand-stitched details, they not only look incredible but also offer superb comfort and support. Heated and ventilated, of course, and adjustable in just about every way. And yes, those door panels are trimmed in soft-touch materials with retro-style handles and minimalist switches, giving it a clean yet classic vibe. Under the hood, well, technically under the floor, we have Volkswagen's all-new modular electric platform. The Karmann Ghia is fully electric and offers a dual-motor setup, delivering up to 320 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Instant torque makes it feel nimble and aggressive, but it's also smooth and graceful, just like the original was intended to be. Range anxiety? Not a problem, with a projected range of 300 miles on a single charge and fast charging capability. That gets you from 10% to 80% in about 25 minutes. The Karmann Ghia is ready for daily driving, road trips, or just turning heads downtown. Handling has been tuned to perfection. Low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement, tight suspension calibration, and responsive steering all work together to deliver a drive that's both engaging and refined. It's sporty, yes, but not punishing. This is a cruiser for the modern era, one that still knows how to carve a corner when the mood strikes. Safety: Volkswagen didn't cut corners here either. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is equipped with all the latest drive assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, it's all there. But what's great is that none of it intrudes on the driving experience. It enhances it, keeping you safe while letting you stay connected to the road. And here's the cherry on top: customization. Volkswagen will offer the new Karmann Ghia in a range of retro-inspired colors, including that iconic seafoam green, sunburst orange, and even a limited-run chrome silver edition. You can also select from multiple wheel designs, interior trims, and software themes for the digital cockpit to really make it your own. So who is the 2025 Karmann Ghia for? It's for those who value design. It's for the dreamers who remember what cars used to feel like but don't want to sacrifice what modern cars can do. It's for anyone looking for an electric vehicle with a soul, a story, and serious style. That's a wrap for today's feature. Let us know in the comments, would you buy the 2025 Karmann Ghia? Does this retro revival hit the mark or miss the moment? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for riding with Motorvision. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the future of driving. Until next time, stay driven.